Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to post on Spotlight on Snapchat. So Spotlight is just a new feature on the Snapchat which is just like a TikTok. So how you can post a video on it. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat, go to your profile from the left top. Now you have to click on the settings from the right top. First of all, you have to make your account public. After that, you have to go back and you have to create a pic. Now you have to click on the next. You have to click everywhere right here, and after that you have to send it. Once you will do it, your video will automatically go to Spotlight of the Snapchat. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.